Hey guys, Ethan here, and today I have a new episode for you guys where we are back with another random build. So, the last random build, as you can see, was the epic diamond sort of epicness of epicness. So, there was a frame in the background, but I decided to take it off because, what? Sorry. I wanted to take off the frame because it just looks better like that. Anyways, so we're back with another Minecraft, our smooth Minecraft, and we are playing at 60 frames per second. Whoa. We are actually playing at 60 frames per second. Whoa. Usually when I'm recording, it goes down like about 10, but we are actually recording at 60 frames per second. I don't know why, but I think my computer's speed just gone up. I don't know why, but anyways. Alright, so okay, that is just incredibly loud. Let me just, yeah. Thank you. All right, so there is some music that I want to put on. If you guys remember in the last episode, or not in the last episode, remember the game called a Geometry Dash, where it was the square and you had to jump over spikes. And you know how I said in the first level the music was so cool, and I wanted it to be a Minecraft song. So well, now it is. So let me just go ahead and pause this video real quick. All right, so I got the music back, and wait, are we recording? Yeah, we are. Okay, so I got the music, and then we just open up YouTube. If you guys want to search up this music, just search up Forever Bound, and the music or the video is called Forever Bound / Stereo Madness. And so you just go ahead and play. Yeah, really cool song. I love it. All right, so out. I'm sorry, that was extremely loud. Let me just go in and say what I'm building first, and then I'll put on the music so you guys won't get bored. So what I'm going to build today, a recommendation from his name, I think his name is Joblishim, and some random numbers, I don't know why, but and he recommended that I should build a really grand waterfall or water fountain or something like that, and I don't know why, but I guess I'm gonna build it. So first we're gonna need, of course, we're gonna need some water. So let's go and get some water. We're gonna need some stone, and we'll need some glowstone for the grandness of this. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and get some blocks of diamond. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and put on the music so you guys won't get bored, and I will just stop talking so you guys can just listen to the music. So let me just start from the beginning, and here we go. Yeah. I'll put a link in the description below about the song. So yeah. darn it. Okay, well, this is no. All right, guys. What? Hold on, let me just there we go. All right, let's do this. Hold on, guys. Sorry about this. All right, sorry about that. I just had to open the door for some. All right, so let's go and continue. I love that music, by the way. Oh man. All right. All right, guys. So I am about done. And actually, I think I am done. Now let's just go ahead and see how it looks in the nighttime. So let's do it. And bam. Oh, so amazing. Oh, wait. That's the problem. Bam. There we go. Now that looks awesome. Okay. And then this one bottom one could be... Yay! So that is our grand waterfall of grandness, of the fanciness and the rich Mitch, lich, ditch, click, dick, bit. Okay, whatever. All right, so yes, this is the grand waterfall of the grandness, richest, fanciestness stuff, and so I hope you guys enjoy this build. I hope you guys and make sure to give a shout out to what's his name, Jablishmins and some random numbers. I don't know, but he's probably in my website right now, chatting. So yeah. So like and favorite if you enjoyed. Subscribe to become my friend today, and I will see you guys in whatever episode I make. See you friends. Love you. Here comes peace sign, and I hope you guys enjoyed this build. Bye.